You're funny.
These are the new Disney Doorables Series 6. I can't wait to open these. I really want the limited edition Pinocchio or the black and whites. And there's a key, but then there's a Mickey on it. I think you're gonna have, and look, it says find and reveal. Maybe you'll have to like see the doors with that. I don't really know, but let's start opening. You can get 45 to collect, and guess what? There's even Ryan the Last Dragon. There's even Pinocchio, which I really want, black and white, Minnie and Mickey. Dumbo's also a limited edition. Now let's open this.
Don't throw the plastic on the floor.
What a good boy. Thank you so much to Toy Insider for including this in our Sweet Sweet Swag box. This is by Just Play, so thank you so much for Just Play as well. So it looks like you have to look for hidden Mickeys in the multi-peak. Oh, open up the door.
Okay.
That is
Whoa,
so magic. Mickey, where's the hidden Mickey? Let's see if you can find it.
Found it.
Oh, there's one. Is there more than one?
Look.
Oh, there's two.
There's two.
3, 4, 5.
Wait,
maybe
what?
that's how many you get. So if you find 6 hidden Mickeys, maybe you get 6 figures.
Okay, wait, let's count.
Okay.
1.
Oh, look, there's
2.
Wait.
Oh, not everyone has a hidden Mickey. Uh-oh, it looks like it's going to pour any minute.
2.
Uh-huh.
3.
3.
4. 5. 6. I think
Is there
that's
up here? One up here? Oh, I think you only got 5. Okay.
Look.
That's so cool.
Oh, whoa, wait.
You get 5 of them. Rocco's already digging in. Oh, hopefully you get,
Can I put this down?
yeah, hopefully you get, Pinocchio in your first try. That'd be awesome. That's where challenge.
Oh, I got a dumpy with the kiss on.
Who'd you get, Rocky?
So cute. I got Smee. We got Smee. Woo. Look at Smee. Yay.
Rocco's still opening up one.
I'm up to my third one.
What'd you get? You got Belle?
Wait, but look, she's has like a sparkly dress.
Oh wow, so this is the new sparkled series, Jeweled Princess. Oh, it's raining right now. You got one more to open.
I got Ariel.
Oh, you got 2 Jeweled Princesses? Rocco, you got one more to open.
No,
Go ahead.
it's not really shiny.
Oh, it's not? But it has some shimmer to it.
Like that.
A little bit. Need help with that, Rocky?
No, my God.
Oh, we got White Rabbit.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. All right, let me show you guys what we got.
We love new Disney Doorables Series 6. Let me know what you think of them in the comments below. Bye.